We're at the KitPlus Show in Media City. I'm on the Lumix booth. I'm with Julian. Hi, Julian.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So, what are we talking to people about today?
Yeah, so we've got our full range of cameras. We've got the latest one, which is our S5 IIX.
Okay.
So this is our full frame camera that will offer 6K recording. You've got unlimited shooting. You've got active IS, so that as you're walking with it reduces the bounce in the background. You've got face-to-text focusing. All in a package, which comes in at under £3,000 for the camera and lens.
So, two things quickly. You mentioned limitless recording very quickly, but that's a big thing, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, mirrorless cameras, it's certainly a very big thing. This will record up to 6K footage, unlimited recording, even up to 40 degrees ambient temperature. It won't overheat.
Which is why you've got this blue thing on top. Tell us about that.
So the blue thing. So this is our SSD recording. So the S5 IIX will offer external recording to an SSD drive.
Okay.
This can record into ProRes, Apple ProRes, to 4K to an external drive as well. So yeah.
Fantastic. And are there any particular specs on this SSD, or is it off the shelf?
Yeah, it's pretty much off the shelf. I mean, this is the Samsung, I think it's the T7, but any of those or the SanDisk Extreme SSDs all work with it. As long as they've got the right speed for the footage, then shouldn't be a problem.
Cool. And what else are we seeing here?
Yeah, so what else we've got? We've got our camcorders. So we've got the X2000, which is a 4K
a much loved camera of KitPlus for many years.
Absolutely, yeah. It's been a staple. We've got the new X2, which is a 1-inch sensor, more sort of ENG style camera. We've also got our Micro Four Thirds, and we've got the box camera range as well. So we've got the Micro Four Thirds BGH1, which is Netflix approved, and a compact camera with 3G SDI, Ethernet capabilities, and behind me we've also got the full frame version as well, which we've got set up with an anamorphic lens, because all of our cameras offer anamorphic D-squeeze as well.
Wow. And is everything available in shipping now?
Absolutely, yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Julian, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you very much.
Do check out these, Julian, where can people find out more information?
They can find it on our website, so panasonic.co.uk. There's a Lumix section on there, or from any of our dealers.
Fantastic, thank you. Do check out that website for everything that Julian's showing here, and for everything else that we're doing at the KitPlus Show, check out kitplus.com.